Chris just farted and it stinks to holy hell in here.
I'm trying to keep us warm, babe.
No.
No? We can't post this. That's what we do. We broke our rule.
Yeah, we did.
We got on the interstate. Mostly because the weather in Illinois pretty much sucks. The weather in Missouri right now pretty much sucks. So we were up against a 7-hour drive or a 4.5-hour drive to get down to Ozark. We're hoping to get the truck worked on so we can get Lindsay's window to work. Right now she rolled the window down. There's no telling if it ever come back up. So we're eager to make that stop, get the truck fixed, and then we're gonna keep heading south. We'll get off the interstate there, of course. But for now, we needed to bolt. It's cold everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see how dreary it is, but
it's pretty dreary.
It is dreary, and it's halfway through April. And right now, everywhere we want to be is it's colder than it's usually. Like every update on the Weather Channel, looking ahead, record lows everywhere we were gonna go. So just a little plot twist here. We're changing course and headed to the southwest to see if it's any better down there where they're experiencing record highs. Go figure.
Well, we're in Missouri now, and we broke our 2 rules. We got on the interstate, and it's snowing.
Hey Lindsay, where are we?
Somewhere in Missouri.
Somewhere in Missouri.
Where it's freaking freezing cold.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
What rules did we break today?
We broke a whole bunch of rules.
We broke a whole bunch of rules.
We broke 3 rules.
3 rules. What was the first rule?
We went on the interstate.
We did go on the interstate because we were trying to get away from the cold.
It snowed.
It snowed on us. We couldn't get away from the cold.
And we drove at night.
And we drove at night because we wanted to be done driving through the cold.
Yeah. And we're still in the cold.
And we're still in the cold. So we're in somewhere in Missouri.
Ozark.
It is Ozark. It is presently 30 degrees. The Weather Channel says it feels like 18 or something crazy like that.
What?
I feel it. Yeah, 'cause that wind outside was awful. We just pulled in. It's like 10:30 Central Time, so 11:30 Eastern. We just pulled in, one of those break all the rules, drive all night kind of thing to get to this place so we can hunker down and hopefully in the morning get up and convince these mechanics to help fix our truck so we can get on to the southwest where
there's nothing seriously wrong with the truck.
Nothing seriously wrong with the truck.
There. It's fine.
We just want to be able to roll the window down.
We're in Ozark, Missouri. We're at Automotive Circuit Solutions. We're hoping to get our gauge cluster worked on. It's been turning off our windows and our radio, almost said radiator, and it's just an odd thing that these guys here are supposed to be able to fix.
So here it is, the dash all opened up. So the instrument cluster came out. No speedometer, no odometer. It's a big chunk of electronic device that came out. That's where the problem is. And they're going to fix some stuff in the actual original part and then put it all back together. It only took them about 5 minutes to pull this apart, so we're thinking we're going to be on the road pretty soon. So we've been waiting here for a while, Lindsay, for some gas.
Yeah, and nobody's come out to help us, and I mean,
We stopped because it's 94 cents a gallon.
I mean, that's a steal of a deal.
I don't think it's been 94 cents a gallon since like 1963.
Yeah, I mean.
Where are we?
We're in Kansas.
We're in Kansas?
Yeah.
We are in Kansas.
And we're on
Route
66.
Route.
It's a really weird word.
Route.
I can't pronounce it. Route. It's a freaky word.
It's really freaky.
Really freaky.
Really freaky.
He's coming for you. Chris, careful. Chris. All right. She's so confused. Chris. Throw it.
Hey, get the rock. Texas is welcoming us right now.
This has not been a fun drive today. It has been so windy.
Steady wind over 25 miles an hour. This is crazy.
Look at this. We're going right through it. Dust storm. We're getting swallowed up.
I can't see the car in front of me. There it is. So we just crossed the Oklahoma state line into Texas. We're about 25 miles in, and we noticed that there's smoke all over the place. Lindsay had this place picked out where we could stop for the night, and first thing we noticed, there's 25, 30 mile an hour winds.
Yeah, it's been super windy.
And there's police and fire trucks all around, so we're thinking, okay, this fire's not controlled.
Yeah.
And then
There's a lot of smoke too.
we go and we walk into the little store. Can you tell me how far west we should go?
There are 65 miles to Samurai. There's several there, but I would do so.
Okay, get out there.
Just to be safe, and you won't be breathing this smoke.
Okay.
You know, I don't like to send people away, but I don't want you in danger, and we have got 2 calls that we
Yeah.
may have to evacuate, but it's gonna be a volunteer at this point.
Okay.
And that's first time ever, and I've been here since ever, and we've never had a call like that before.
Yeah.
This is our first call.
She recommended to drive all the way to Amarillo.
So Amarillo is another hour and 20 minutes, probably a little bit longer with the wind.
Yeah, with this crazy one.
We've been kind of forced onto the interstate, and we've been going about 50 miles an hour because the wind is crazy. The trucks are crazy that are passing us. But there's nothing we can do tonight. This is kind of the deal that we've got. So Lindsay did a great job finding this place, and unfortunately, this fire is not going to help us out. Poor woman in there was talking with her son and husband. She said she lost a son into a fire last year. So it's something that happens out here. There's just big old plains, big open spaces that look dry, and this year
There's a lot of wind.
there's a lot of wind. So as soon as something sparks, it just moves. So we're gonna move on to go west some more. God willing, we find a place in the next hour or so to settle down.